Mardi Gras time, there's nothing more reminiscent of New Orleans food than jambalaya. We're going to make a shrimp and chicken jambalaya. So I've got a large pot heating with some oil. I already cooked some chicken cubes, and now I'll add andouille sausage that I've cut into quarter-inch coins. And when they finish cooking, I'll remove them to the same plate with the chicken. Now we'll add the Cajun Trinity. That's diced yellow onion, some diced celery, and some diced green pepper. And we'll also add some spices. And add some white pepper, some cayenne, and some smoked paprika. And of course, it wouldn't be jambalaya without garlic. I'll cook it till the vegetables are soft. Now I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes along with their juices, and we'll let that simmer briefly. Then I'll add 3 cups of chicken stock and a bay leaf, and then I will bring it to a simmer and cover it and let it cook for about 15 minutes. I'm going to return the chicken to the pot along with the sausage and any accumulated juices. I'm also going to season with some additional herbs with 2 teaspoons each of thyme and basil. And then it wouldn't be Cajun cooking without some Tabasco, so I'll hit that with a few drops of that. And then we'll let that simmer for another 10 minutes. Now I'll add some peeled and deveined shrimp, and we'll continue simmering until the shrimp are cooked through. Go ahead and serve the jambalaya over some short grain rice. And don't forget to get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. See you next time.